Good evening, folks. We're live at 9:08 on a Monday night, and we're doing a pretty awesome battle here for a blue snag. Still in his awesome Star Wars sea baggie. Isn't that nice with the blue printing and all? Awesome bag there. I got 125 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random.org to find our winner. Somebody's going to be a happy camper on a Monday night, on a New Year's Day. Here we go. There they are, 1 through 125. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 11. So we are most assuredly good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get right to it. Matt Calvert in our top spot for round 1. Scott Singer, round 2. Matt Johnson, round 3. Scott again on top in round 4. Andrew Dean, round 5. Scott again on top in round 6. Jacques, round 7. Matt Johnson again on top in round 8. Matt Calvert again on top in round 9. Scott Singer in the top spot for our next to last round, round 10, which means we've come to the all-important last round. Good luck, folks. It's a nice one. Here we go, and our winner is Matt Johnson, in at number 61. Congratulations, Matt. Here's the verification code and official results. VKGHEW. Matt Johnson in at number 61 is the champ of the blue snag in a bag. And I'm done at 9:10 p.m. There you have it. There's the time. Again, here's the official results. Matt in at number 61 is our winner in round 11. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot. Happy New Year.